Hello students, welcome to my class. In today's class we are going to continue with the chapter Triangles of class 10. In our previous video we have seen the first 4 questions of exercise 6.3 and in today's video we are going to see the remaining question. So question number 5. S and T are points on sides PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. Show that triangle RPQ similar to triangle RTS. So this is the question. So here what is given in the question? We have a triangle PQR. So we will draw the diagram first. So we have a triangle PQR. So in this triangle, S and T are points on side PR and QR. So S is a point on side PR. So S is a point on side PR and T is a point on side QR. So S and T are points on side PR and QR. So now we are going to join these 2 points and one more condition is given, angle P. So this angle and angle RTS. So these 2 angles are equal. So this condition is also given in the question. Then we have to prove that triangle RPQ, that means this full triangle, triangle RPQ and triangle RTS, this small triangle, these 2 triangles we have to show they are similar. Okay, so these are the conditions given. So what is given in the question we will write first. So in the question it is given that angle P is equal to angle RTS. And we have to prove, what we have to prove? Triangle RPQ. We have to prove triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. This we have to prove. So we will see the proof. It's very simple only. So we have to use any one of the similarity criteria to prove these 2 triangles are similar. So let us consider these 2 triangles. So in triangle RPQ and triangle RTS, we already have one angle equal, that is angle P is equal to angle RTS. This angle P we can write as angle RPQ. So instead of angle P we can write angle RPQ. So this is given in the question. Okay, so angle RPQ is equal to angle RTS. So this condition is given in the question. And what about this angle R? This angle R is the common angle for both the triangles. So we can write angle PRQ is equal to angle TRS. So this is the common angle for both the triangle, common angle. So in these 2 triangles we got 2 angles are equal. If 2 angles are equal, then the third angle also will be equal by angle sum property. So by AAA similarity criteria, or we can say that if 2 angles are equal also we can say the 2 triangles are similar. So by AA similarity criteria, AA similarity criterion, we can say that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Okay, so now we will see the next question. Question number 6. In the given figure, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. Show that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. So here in this question we are given this condition, that is what is given, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. So what is given, triangle ABE, that is this triangle is congruent to triangle ACD, this triangle. Okay, so these 2 triangles are congruent, that condition is given. We have to prove triangle ADE, this smaller triangle, and the full triangle ABC are similar. So we have to prove this condition, these 2 triangles are similar. So to prove triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. Okay, so first we'll see how to prove this. So you know already we have studied, if we want to prove two triangles are similar, we have to check whether the triangle satisfies any of the similarity criteria. So first we will start with the given condition. It is given that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. So these two triangles are congruent. This condition is given in the question. So if ABE, so this triangle, and ACD, these two triangles are congruent, then we can say that AB and AC are equal. Reason is corresponding parts of congruent triangle CPCT. So AB and AC will be equal. So from this we can write AB by, we will get AB by AC is equal to 1. This is the first equation. Similarly, we can write AD this side. So AD and AE are also equal. AD is equal to AE. From this we will get AD by AE is equal to 1. So this is the second condition. Okay, second equation. So from these two equation, if you see these two equation, its right side is same. So we can equate the left side. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, we can write AB by AC is equal to AD by AE. Now we will take this AE to this side. So we can write this condition. We can rewrite this condition as AE by AC, and we will bring this AB to right side. So AD by, we can write it as AD by AB. So we got this condition, that is AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. So in these two triangles, we got sides ratios are equal. Now what about this angle? Angle A is the common angle for both the triangles. So we can write angle DAE is equal to angle BAC. This is the common angle. So here in these two triangles, in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, we got one angle is common and the sides ratios are equal. So by SAS similarity criterion, we can say these two triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Okay, now we will see the next question. Question number 7. In the figure, altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at the point P. Show that. First, here in this question there are 4 subdivisions, and in each case we have to prove the given triangles are similar. So only one condition is given. Altitude AD and CE are the altitude of this triangle which intersect at the point P. So first question, first we will take the first subdivision, that is we have to prove triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. So we will consider, we are going to check the triangle AEP. So triangle AEP means this triangle. Okay, so triangle AEP and triangle CDP, this triangle. So we have to show these two triangles are similar using any one of the similarity criteria. So first we will see here in the question it is given that CE is the altitude. So since CE is the altitude, what about this angle? This angle is 90 degree. So we will get angle AEP is 90 degree, and similarly this angle, this is also AD is also an altitude. So this angle is also 90 degree. So we can write angle AEP and angle CDP is equal to 90 degree. This is given in the question because AD and CE are the altitude of the triangle. So we got these two angles are equal. Now what about this angle? These two angles are actually vertically opposite angle. So these two angles are also equal. So we can write angle APE is equal to angle CPD. So the reason is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles. So in these two triangles, we got two angles are equal. Therefore by AA similarity criteria, we can say that AA similarity criterion, we can say that triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Now we will see the second part. Okay, so second part, triangle ABD. So ABD, that is this triangle, and triangle CBE, this triangle. Okay, so we have to prove these two triangles are similar. So here in this case also we can see this angle, actually this angle is 90 degrees since CE is the altitude. So we can write angle CEB and this angle ADB. Both these angles are 90 degree, which is given in the question. And what about here in these two angles? If you see, angle B is the common angle. So we can write angle ABD is equal to angle CBE. This is the common angle. Therefore what we got in these two triangles, we got two angles are equal. Therefore by AA similarity criterion, we can say these two triangles are similar. So triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Okay. Now in the third pair, so we will take these two triangles, that is triangle AEP and triangle ADB. So we will see triangle AEP. So this is the triangle AEP and triangle ADB. ADB means this full triangle. So you have to prove this smaller triangle AEP and ADB. These two triangles are similar. So here we have this angle is 90 degree and similarly these two angles are 90 degree. So we got one angle equal, and in here angle A is the common angle for both the triangles. So A is the common angle. Therefore by AA similarity criteria, we can say that these two triangles are similar. So we will write angle AEP is equal to angle ADB is equal to 90 degree, which is given in the question, and angle EAP is equal to angle DAB. This is the common angle for both the triangle, common angle. Therefore by AA similarity criteria, these two triangles are similar. Triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. Now we will fourth subdivision. What are the triangles we have? Triangle PDC and triangle BEC. Okay, so triangle PDC means this triangle, and triangle BEC this full triangle. Okay, so we have to prove these two triangles are similar. So here in this case also, if you see this angle and this angle are 90 degree, so we got one angle equal, and here which is the common angle? The C is the common angle for both these two triangles. So C is the common angle. So by AA similarity criteria, we can say that these two triangles are similar. So angle PDC is equal to angle BEC 90 degree, which is given in the question. Then we have angle PCD is equal to angle BCE, which is the common angle for both the triangle. Common angle. Therefore, by AA similarity criterion, AA similarity criterion, we can say that these two triangles are similar. Triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. Okay. Now we will see the next question. Question number 8. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersects CD at F. Show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. So first we will draw the diagram. So what is given in the question? ABCD is a parallelogram. So we will draw a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram, and this E is a point on the side AD produced. So if we produce the side AD, then this E is a point on this produced side AD of a parallelogram. E intersects CD at F. So if we join BE, then this will intersect the side CD at the point F. Then we have to prove triangle ABE. Triangle ABE means this full triangle. Okay. So triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. So this is the second triangle. So we have to show these two triangles are similar. So how to prove these two triangles are similar? So first thing, since ABCD is a parallelogram, the side AD and BC are parallel. You know that since ABCD is a parallelogram, we have AD is parallel to BC, and we can consider this EB as the transversal and EB as the transversal. EB is the transversal. So what we will get? These two angles are equal because these two angles are alternate interior angle. So AE and BC are parallel and this EB is the transversal. So we can write angle AEB is equal to angle CBF. Reason: alternate interior angle. So we got one angle equal in these two triangles. Now we can see this angle. Actually angle A and C are opposite angles of a parallelogram, and we know that in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So these two angles are also equal. So we can write angle BAE is equal to angle BAE is equal to angle BCF. Reason: opposite angles of a parallelogram. So what we got now? These two triangles, that is in triangle ABE and triangle CFB, we got two angles are equal. Therefore by AA similarity criterion, we can say that these two triangles are similar. So today we have completed question number 5 to 8 of exercise 6.3. In the next video we will see the remaining question. If you like my channel, you can share and subscribe. Your subscription, my motivation. Thank you students.